Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 5,000 squared minus 4,999 squared. And remember, we don't want to use a calculator. Well, what we're going to use is we're going to be using an important property of algebra. And that property is if a squared minus b squared, if we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So whenever we have something like a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a plus b. And if we do end up multiplying these two, this would equal this. So now what we're simply going to do is we're going to plug in these two values for a and b. Well, 5,000 is a, right? 5,000 is a, and 4,999 is b. So this is b. So now all we're going to do is we're going to plug in our values of a and b into our formula here. So a minus b, meaning 5,000 minus 499, this times 5,000 plus 4,999. Well, 5,000 minus 4,999, well, 4,999 plus 1 is 5,000, so this is just 1, times 5,000 plus 4,999, well, if we have 5,000, and we are adding this with 4,999, zero plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So we get 9, 9, 9, 9. So we're multiplying 1 with 9, 9, 9, 9, and 1 times 9,909 is simply just 9,999. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 512 to the power of x equals 8. So whenever we're solving exponentials equations such as these, where the base is greater than the actual solution and we're powering the base to x, well, we know that x is going to be a fraction, right? X obviously has to be less than 1 because even 512 to the power of 1, that is still much greater than 8. So in situations like these, we want to convert these two bases so that they are the same. Well, 512, this is actually the same as 8 to the power of 3. 512 is equal to 8 to the power of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace 8 to the power of 3 with 512. So we have 8 to the power of 3 to the power of x, because we have to still put this to the power of x, equals 8. Now, if we have something in the form like this, where we have a to the power of m to the power of n, and this is an important property for exponents this is actually equal to a to the power of m times n. So a to the power of 3 to the power of x, this is equal to a to the power of 3 times x, which is simply equal to a to the power of 3x, because 3 times x is 3x. So now we have 8 to the power of 3x equals 8. And now if you notice, our two bases here, these two are the same. These two are equal to each other, meaning because our two bases are the same, our two exponents have to be the same as well. And 8, the exponent for 8 is actually just 1, because 8 to the power of 1 is equal to 8. So because our two bases are the same, our exponents have to be the same as well, meaning 3x is equal to 1. And now we have a simple equation. All we have to do is divide by 3 on both sides, and this would cancel out. So now we'd get x equals 1 over 3. And this is our answer. Now, if we plug it in to our equation here, so if we have 512 to the power of 1 over 3 equals 8. Well, 512 to the power of 1 over 3, this is the same thing as the cube root of 512 equals 8. And the cube root of 512, so what to the power of 3 equals 512? 8. 8 to the power of 3 equals 512, so this is equal to 8, and 8 equals 8. So this is right, meaning our solution is right.